Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually going to unbox an old box which is not new from Tisthebox. So I bought the autumn edition just to try out, but it came a bit late. But then reading the reviews, looking at the Instagram, I've decided to join up to this subscription, which I've done. So this month we've got the summer, which is not going to be shipped out till the mid-month, so I'll probably get it by the end of the month. But I know some of you have already seen this. This is the autumn box, which they had available. I'm not sure why they have so many left, because if it was me, I'll buy a couple. I should have bought one or two, but I didn't bought one, but too late now. I've got Tisthebox. So what I'll do is I'll show you what it is, and if you do like it, I reckon you should subscribe. It's really good value. So it's a seasonal box. So each month it's $89.95, including shipping if you join the subscription. So they post it out every 3 months. And inside they'll have values for over $300, and every time they create a box it will be related to the season. So the one I've got obviously is not the most updated one, because I've got autumn. I missed out, like, spring, summer last year, but I want to show you this and see how you guys go. So this is the box. So it's Tisthebox. It says autumn. I'm going to get the summer one soon, which I'll unbox in my normal room. I thought I'll just do a quick unboxing here today. So inside, it's quite big. There's heaps of stuff in here. So inside here, you will actually get a pamphlet which outlines what items you got in the box. So with Tisthebox, you've got actually choices on 2 items. So you come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 standard items that everyone will get, and then you get to choose between, there's 4 different sets, and you get to choose which 2 you want. So for my one, for the month of autumn, there was 2 choices of either you get the Disview humidifier, which is worth $95, which is this one. I did want a humidifier, but I've got a lot, so I didn't need another one. Or the other one was to get the Disview heated facial eye cleaning massager, which I don't have one, so I really wanted this one, so I chose this one, and that's $105 retail value. So already one item alone is worth more than the box, so I think it's really good value. And of course, with each set depends. So with my facial one, I got the one with the Moroccan rose facial oil to come along with it, and that's retail at $54. Or if you didn't want the face oil, you actually had the option to also get the probiotic relief cream, but I've got lots of facial cream, so I don't need it. So that's what it is. And over here it just tells you what items you can get. So in the standard one that everyone gets, they get the GM premium mouthwash, which is kind of interesting. The Fresh Face Swifty towel, which is worth $13.95. The Mate mouthwash is worth $18. Then this is one I like. So then there's a Dr. Jart face mask, and there's 5 in the pack, and this is worth $30. This is actually quite cheap for retail price. Usually they're about like $8 each, I think, or more. And then this one's really cute too. So this is the thermo food container, so it keeps your food warm. I think that's good for my boyfriend. And then you also get a Model Co Shine Ultra Lip Gloss, which I like. I don't like lipstick, but I like lip gloss. So this is really nicely presented, and autumn is my favorite month. So I do regret not buying 2 boxes because they had a discount during that time. But yeah, so these are highly recommended. Although I haven't unboxed it, I'm very sure that I'll love it. So just open it up. Oh, and I've also missed this. It says stop, grab your phone, and then you had a chance to win your summer box as well. If you have the best, it's a summer box to share. Oh, tag to win the next winter box. Yeah. So this one passed already, but it's something that we can think of, so there's no point me doing it. Depends if the summer one wants me to unbox it, but yeah. So I'll take out the first item. So we go with the standard item. Such a good value. Let me get so this one. So this is the Gem Premium Natural mouthwash, crisp mint with propolis, neem leaf, and chlorophyll. So I don't usually use mouthwash. Don't know if it's normal or not, but I brush my teeth, floss my teeth. Don't use mouthwash. I won't open this, but I think it looks like shampoo, doesn't it? Quite big, but I'll probably use this since I've got it anyway. So this retails for $18 for 500 mils. It helps create a healthy gut, and the mouth is always a gateway to gut. So good gut health starts with a good mouth, which makes sense. So that's here. So that's already $18. Nice color, isn't it? Next one is the Fresh Face Swifty towel. It removes your makeup, which is good. I've seen this on a commercial, I haven't used it. Use me in 3-way easy. Double up as a brush cleaner, or double up as a brush cleaner. Wipe your face with it. What else does it do? Swipe your brush along the towel, lay out to dry. Dampen with warm water, gently sweep along your face, wring out and dry. So this is very good. So this is reusable. It's 100% polyester, and this retails for $13.95. So this is good for the environment as well. It's something I definitely need. Next one, one of my favorite. So this is the Dr. Jart face mask. It's one of my favorite branded face masks. I actually bought when I'm in Asia. It is a Korean brand. It's a Korean brand, I'm pretty sure. Yep, it is. Oh, it is a Korean brand, but it's very popular. So this one I actually got it cheap. So a pack of 5 is $30. So that means that it is $6 each. But I think that's pretty cheap, because usually they sell it for like $8 or $9 each. So pack of 5, amazing. I thought they only give you one, but they give you a pack of 5. So good deal. So I've got lots of facial masks, but I'll do a unboxing on my Salvana makeup haul, and also skincare haul shortly as well. But here we go. The next thing we've got, oh, this is so cute, is the Canteen, and this is the double wall and vacuuming. So this is an insulated lunch box. So this is a food container. It retails for $65, and you can put up to 550 mils in it. This is why I said I should have bought 2, because there's a lot of things in here on you. So even I think on discount I've only paid $75. So this is $30, and this is 100% I'm going to use. Maybe the mouthwash not so. This is $60. I should have bought another one. My boyfriend can have one. I can have one, but mainly for my boyfriend. Let's have a look at what it looks like. So this is what I like about this. Look how cute this is. Oh. Open it up. Very tightly sealed. It's good. So this keeps your food warm. So it's 100% leak proof, making it ideal for hot soups or cold drinks, delicious noodles, stir fries, or salads. So yeah, this is perfect. So you can actually bring your hot food to work. I'm thinking maybe I'll give this to my boyfriend. I doubt that he can put this in the microwave. So I don't think you can microwave it either. But this should be able to keep your food warm, that can take out with him. So something I can ask if he wants to use it, or can use it at home or at work. Not before, to be honest. But have you seen anything? It's all green color. So this is really pretty. I really like it. I wish it was like pink or something. So yeah. So everyone got that. Put it back. And then the next item we got is this. So it's the Model Co lip gloss. It is retail at $26. Add a touch of luminous shine to your lips with the Model Co Shine Ultra Lip Reflective Lip Gloss. So I've never heard of this brand before. It's non-sticky and long wearing to enhance your natural lips color. So it's quite generous. Look how big. I don't think I'm taking this out. It's huge. Look at that. So let me smell it. Oops. Actually smells really nice. I like it. Let me try. Really yummy. This is good. So this is $26. Really nice. But the design of it, maybe, you know, so, but other than that, the product is good. This is really nice. made in Australia. So now we're going to go to our choice items. So as I said, I got the face oil. So this is the botanicals, so botanical Moroccan rose facial oil. So this one will help you stimulate collagen production for younger looking skin with vitamin A, which is powerful antioxidants. And this actually has extra of almond oil to brighten the complexion as well. And this is 100% vegan friendly, 100% vegan friendly. So yeah, got that. And of course the main product, oh, and this is retailed at $54. The main product is this. So this is the heated cleanser massager. Is for the face and eyes. It vibrates and heats silicone bristles, suitable for face and eyes, made in PRC. Yep, so this retails at $105, includes USB charger and cord. I'll show you what it looks like because I don't want to open it, but it looks like that. But yeah, so basically in general, I think Tisthebox is going to be one of my favorite box monthly subscription, but depending on the month I might buy more than one box. Like, my regret is not to buy a second box of this, and I only bought one box. I wished I actually bought another box, and the other box I would choose is the one with the, I wanted to choose the one with the humidifier and also the probiotic relief cream as my choice. So I really should have done that. Maybe I should go on and check if it's available, because I think everything that comes with it in general is a really good deal. Like, I love this thermo food container. It's $6. It's just really cute. Look at it. Leak proof, so I might get another one. Give it to my boyfriend. Off the jar. Amazing mask. Highly recommend. There's 5 of these in here. There's one. And then I've never used before. I never used this before, but facial oil 54 must be good. Monaco. Although the packaging does not look great, I tried it. It smells really good. Doesn't have a weird taste. No taste to it actually. It's long lasting. So this is $24. Everyone uses this. Or if you don't like it, you can gift it. Same as this. If you don't want to use the facial oil, you can gift it. This generally I probably won't go out and buy it myself, but since it's in here, I'll use it. Reusable, non-toxic. It's a really nice packaging. This again, usually I won't buy it, but because it came with it, I'll use it. Overall, I paid $75. I think it's a really good deal. I now sign up to the subscription. It is $89.95 including delivery. I still think it's a really good. Value. So the total value out of this whole box is, let me just do a calculation for you quickly. So we've got $54 for the face oil, and then we got $105, and then we got $18, $13.95 for the towel. The mask is $30, which I still think is really cheap. Then we got the food container for $65, and then we got the lip gloss for $26. So we've got a total value here of $312. So I paid $75 for $312 worth of things. Even if I paid $90 for $300 plus worth of things, I think it's really cheap. Highly recommended. Let me know if you have any questions. One thing I keep forgetting to say at the back of my video is like my video and subscribe, because I've got a lot of other box opening that I haven't done. Another good news is I've actually finally subscribed to BoxyCharm Premium, so I'll be getting the premium at the end of this month, and then in December I'll be getting the Luxe, which I can't wait. But yeah, I'm still waiting for my Look Fantastic box. My boyfriend has his Pop Viewer subscription. We've got him. We might do some reviews on that, but I'm really excited. So thank you. So please subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it down below. And I'm also thinking, because I bought so many advent calendars, skincare products, I'm going to plan to do a giveaway on products I don't use. For example, I don't use mascara, I don't use eyeliner. For those, 100% I'll give away. I'm very picky on my lip products. I don't like lipstick. I like, you know, lip gloss kind of lipstick. So those I might give away as well. There might be certain things like a lot of body care stuff I don't like a lot of, because I've got heaps, like scrubs, I've got a lot. So I'll be doing a giveaway. So, but to enter the giveaway, you need to subscribe to my channel, like the videos. I think in my next 2 videos, I'll announce the giveaway, and the giveaway is open to it's worldwide as well. So there's no country restrictions, unless your country restricts Australia sending things through to you due to COVID. But other than that, have a nice day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.